In this video, I will show you how you can deploy your app using the service hosting of Firebase. It is super easy, and then we are going to generate our URL, and you can access through internet. You can share the app with your friends, or you can create your own portfolio. Okay, this is the app that we are going to develop, where you need to enter your budget. For example, here I will put 1,000. And then you need to enter every expenses that you have. In this moment, we have a budget of 1,000 and the rest is 1,000. But for example, if I put that I have an expense of food of 200, now here we have a row and here the rest is 800. For example, if I put now health insurance and I put an amount of 400, here I have this another row. Okay, the first thing that we need to do if you are working with a SPA like React, Angular, or Vue, this doesn't apply if you are working with JavaScript, normal JavaScript. We need to generate this folder. In Angular, how you can do that? With the command ng and with the command ng build. Now we are going to have a folder list, and this is the thing that we need to deploy to the Firebase. Okay, now we can wait a little, and here, as you can see, we have this folder. This is the name of the project, and here within browser, this is the folder that we are going to upload with the file HTML file and another files about JavaScript. Okay, we're going to go to Firebase. I will put here. The only thing that you need to have it is a Gmail account. I will open this link and I will put here in get started. Then I will put here create a new project. Here I will put example and I will put continue. Then they ask us if we want to add Google Analytics to our project. I will put not because I am not interested. I will put here create a project. And now we need to wait a little in order to create the project. And here, when this finish, we have different services that we can use in Firebase. In this case, we are going to use the hosting, but also you have a lot. If you want to work with authentication, if you want to save files like image or database NoSQL, etc. All of the products that you have here in Firebase, you can come here on all of the products, and this is all of the things that you can use within Firebase. In our case, we are interested in this part in the hosting. I will click here in hosting. And it is super easy. Here we need to put get started, and the third thing that we need to do is install the Firebase tool. I will click here. I will go to the project, and I will put here this npm install. Now we need to wait a little in order to install this. Okay, now that the install was finished and we installed the package globally Firebase tool, the next step, I will come back here. I will put here next. We need to log in. I will copy this one. I will go to the project and here I will put Firebase login. I will press enter and here this question appears only one time. It says allow Firebase to collect CLI one. If you want to put yes or no, it's the same. It doesn't matter. And here we need to choose the account. I will choose my account. I will put here continue it and I will allow this to Firebase. And now we are logging in our project. The next step is init the Firebase in our project. I will come back. I will clean this one. Here, as you can see, we are logged with this account. I will put Firebase in it. I will do enter, press enter. And here we are going to answer some question. The first question, are you ready to proceed? Yes. Here, as I said, in Firebase you have all of these services. In this case, the only service that we are going to work it is this one, hosting configure file for Firebase, and you need to press the key space in order to select. Then I will press enter. Here we need to choose an option. In this case, I will put this one, create a new project. And I need to put a name that it is unique, and we must put between 6 to 20, 30 characters. In this case, I will put expenses test 1, 2, 3. I will put enter. What would you like to call your project? I will put expenses. I will press enter. And now we are going to have some files of configuration or in our project. We need to wait a little, and okay, you can wait a little more. Here, as you can see, here this step is super important. What do you want to use as your public directory? Here you need to put the root of the part that you have the index HTML. In my case, I want to the public directory should be this dash the name of my project and dash browser. But this can be depend if you are using React or if you are using vanilla JavaScript. Okay, here I will put this dash browser. Here I have the index HTML. I need to put this route. I will press enter, and then configure as single page app. Here in my case, I'm using a SPA. I will put yes. I want to rewrite index HTML, and then set up automatical builds and deploys with GitHub. We are not going to use this one. I will put no. And here it says that index HTML already exists. They ask us if we want to overwrite. It's super important that you put no in this case. Okay, and here we have we already have the folder this. We have also these two files that were created by Firebase. And the last step is I will go back to here. I will put next is to deploy our project. I will copy this one. I will come back. I will clean the console, and I will put Firebase deploy. Now we need to wait a little. I will put here and now okay, here as you can see we have the hosting URL. I will open this this page, and as you can see here, we have our app. Here you can put your budget, and this link you can pass to another people, and it is deployed on internet. For example, if you want to do a new change, for example, here I will change something. What you need to do? Okay, I will go to the project. I will put here, for example, I want to change this word, for example. You need to, here I will put expenses 2 times. You need to, first step, you need to build again this folder. I will put ng build, and then we need to deploy, and we're going to see the changes, the new changes in deploy in the hosting. We can wait a little here. It is okay. Here we generate again this folder, and now we need to put Firebase deploy, and we are going to deploy again this folder with the changes. And then here it is very important, this step. You need to say, okay, this is the folder, here it is the HTML file, and this is the folder that I want to deploy, and you need to read this file. Here, if you refresh the page, you can see that here the changes were deployed. If you like the video and it was useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channels, ring the bell, and to stay in the loop when I release new videos. See you another time.